Huge ancient artworks, the Nazca Lines have been a source of mystery ever since their modern discovery, making them one of the world's most intriguing archaeological sites. Many have tried, seemingly without success, to provide a satisfactory explanation for the origin of something on such a massive scale. Many of the proposed explanations could only be understood if ancient flying machines were used. Pokios are another mysterious structure found all over Nazca, but few people know about them. They are corkscrewing masonry aquifers that run deep below the Earth's surface in search of water. Ancient sites these mysterious structures linked, and the areas in which they are found, have endured severe drought for thousands of years. And it would have taken enormous skill and ingenious solutions for any ancient civilization to prosper in this area. The Pokios stand out as prime examples of the advanced intelligence of this ancient people group. Further, we have a gut feeling that this civilization was vastly more advanced than the Incas. Although contemporary academics try to covertly dismiss these ancient works of genius by labeling them pre-Incan, we think the pre-Incans they talk about were part of a more advanced civilization than government-funded researchers are willing to admit to. According to Rosa La Saponara of the Institute for Methodologies in Environmental Analysis, satellite imagery has uncovered a remarkable past function to these previously enigmatic spiral holes. They have come to the conclusion that they are an ancient complex hydraulic system created to extract and transport groundwater over enormous distances beneath the arid landscape above them. La Saponara claims that scientists have been able to track where pumped water is going in the desert by looking at satellite images. Similar to the subways of today, all the holes were connected with a network of tunnels, and it seems that each spiral hole is a pump that supplies the tunnels with whatever it is they're supposed to be carrying. By harnessing the power of the wind and focusing the flow of water, ancient people were able to bring water from places where it was scarce to where it was needed most. There is so much proof of the system's sophistication that scientists have had to admit, albeit with some reluctance, that the original engineer's knowledge was unquestionably superior. Quality of design and construction was so high that many Pokios continue to operate perfectly today, thousands of years after they were first built. Furthermore, the original builders would have needed high-tech tools, such as air pumping systems, that have not yet been developed. Mechanisms far beyond the scope of any scholarly ancestor. They also needed an in-depth familiarity with the geology several meters below their feet, as well as the knowledge of how they planned to influence the groundwater's upcoming movement. Interestingly, many sections of these tunnels went right through tectonic faults, as if the builders had advanced warning of and could account for them. We consider the discovery of the Pokios' former use to be nothing short of miraculous, and the objects themselves to be some of the most compelling proof of not only the existence of a technologically advanced pre-Incan culture, but also of the existence of a civilization. But of a prehistoric civilization that possessed knowledge of geology, hydrology, and other topics more commonly associated with the modern era. Created with the help of cutting-edge technological research, they are undeniably persuasive.